In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an account with the KFC app on your mobile device. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so you've downloaded and installed the KFC app and you're wondering how to create an account. What we need to do is open up the KFC app. Then from here, we need to navigate down to the bottom of the page where it says more. And then it can be confusing here because there's no create account button. So what we need to do is click on the sign in button on the top right hand corner of the page. And then on this page here at the bottom, it will say not yet registered. Click on create account. And then you want to go ahead and create your account. So put in your first name, last name, email address, mobile number, and then click on create account. And then after that, they should send you a verification code that will go to your email address that you've just supplied them, and then click on that email to verify your account.